Okay, let's get started with 15-16 Upper Deck Ice Hockey Double Box Break 103. Well, date and time currently is Wednesday, May 25th, 5:22 Eastern Time. Okay, good luck, everybody. Ice premieres for the Edmonton Oilers, Shukar Kahari. Rookie premieres for the Calgary Flames, Brett Kokak. Rookie premieres Montreal Canadiens, Daniel Carr. We have an exquisite rookie patch, 13 of 25. Vancouver Canucks, Jake Virtanen. I don't know how they consider that a patch, but hey, they're calling it. We have ice premieres for the St. Louis Blues, Colton Ferriego. There he is again. Exquisite collection rookies, 302 of 399, Jake Virtanen, Vancouver Canucks. For the Nashville Predators, we have a Frozen Fabrics, Pekka Rinne. We have a Rinkside Signings for the Carolina Hurricanes, Rob Brind'Amour. Fresh Threads, Carolina Hurricanes, Brock McGinn. Looks like this is going to be a Vancouver Canucks break. Ice premieres. Autograph, Vancouver Canucks, Hunter Schittenkrook. Pretty sure that's not how you say his name properly. I hope I'm not the only one laughing. We have a Global Impact, Nashville Predators, Victor Arvidsson. We have ice premiers for the Philadelphia Flyers, Tyler Liner. For the Montreal Canadiens, Global Impacts, Zachary Fucale. We have a World Junior Championships, 169 of $12.99, and we have him again, Zachary Fucale. Ice Premiers, David Moser, Edmonton Oilers. Last pack from this last break, 103. Ice Premiers for the Los Angeles Kings, Nick Shore. All right, thanks again, everybody, for joining our breaks. We will have a good night.